Hello friends, this is welding transformer 400 amps and 3-phase connection. In this welding transformer, I open all the covers and I see in the MOSFETs are burned out, burst out. Okay, this is the welding transformer using in 3-phase supply, and these all MOSFETs are burned out, and I remove all the transistors, MOSFETs, that is a transformer, and replaced it, and all the gate resistance are to be changed. And here we use the heavy 55 watts soldering iron and open all the transistors. In this section, the DC output section is there, and the rectification section is there, and the driver section is there, and the display section is there. For display section, there is a transformer are using in this unit. This all transistors are removing, and in this unit there is a totally 14 transistors are there, and all the transistor is to be changed. And in this set, the 4-5 transistors are good, but we must change all the transistors. See here how to check the MOSFET. This is drain and gate. See, this is opened. Okay, see here, I reverse direction. See, it is good. When the gate is touching, the transistor is worked. Okay, in this type of testing, the MOSFET is changing, checking like this. Okay, we are very careful and very safety to do the job. In this unit, we must check in the cold test method only. We can't put the 3-phase supply in the while checking the unit. Okay, first we check the cold test method, then we go to the hot checking. Okay, see here, some all transistors are is to be removed, and some gate resistance are to be burned out. That all are to be changed. The gate resistance and the MOSFETs are to be removed. and it is cleaned with a brush, and the tips of the transistor is sitting, that is also be cleaned. Okay, carefully we can did the job. Lastly, we can check whether the drain and source are to be shown leaky or short anything. Then we go to put a power for this. Okay. Now we can changing all the gate resistance of 4.7 ohms resistors. These are the double side board are using. We must carefully remove the spares and solder it. The resistance are to be soldered in. Very carefully we must do the job. And also please subscribe my channel and share these videos to your friends. Okay, and this is the display board, this is the choke coil, and this is the driver board. Like this, how to recognize the sections, this is the must. How to recognize the which board is working, how to working, like that. Okay, the fan is there for the cooling of the output, and the rectification section. We must clean all the soldered board with a thinner. Okay, otherwise the resistance is to be created in this board. All transistor is to be burned out next time. Okay, and in this set I check the all the transistors, and all transistor is to be changed. And in the driver section also it is complaint, the diodes are leaky and shorted. All Zener diodes are changing, and carefully this work is to be done. When the working of this board, the voltage is stored in the main capacitors that must to be discharged while taking the job. Okay, and how it is to be removed, like you must seen all the things and fitted like that only, not to be replaced it. Okay, the transistors are to be changing. Okay, don't put the old one. When we put the old one that is to be leaky, then we can get a shorted the board while working. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel and see my videos. All the electronics and electrical works are to be making the videos, and when you have the doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. And these transistors are to be soldered. This is double layer board, and please put some leads to make a good joint. Okay, and check all the resistance, transistors and PFs in cold test method only. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Once again, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.